My name is Keegan. I work at High Character Contracting. We basically just do home renovations and a bunch of little side tasks that we get tasked with. I heard about it from the president, Luke Johnson. He goes to my church and we're in the same house group. It's a really good business. We're welcoming to people that have no clue what they're doing. We're able to teach new people stuff, so that's awesome. Usually we buy the houses and renovate it, but this one, someone else bought it and they brought us in to renovate it for them. I've gotten quite a decent amount of friends that have really pushed me as a person to be a man of high character, and it's grown my connection with the Lord.